Are you a busy person looking to adopt a cat for the first time? Life can be a whirlwind, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy the companionship of a furry friend. You see, the secret lies in selecting the right cat breed. Yes, just like we humans, different cat breeds have diverse personalities, needs, and lifestyles. For the busy bees among us, certain cat breeds are an ideal match. These cats are typically more independent, low maintenance, and content with their own company. They don't mind the hours you spend at work, as long as they have their favorite toys, a cozy corner to nap, and of course, their meals served on time. Choosing the right breed as a first-time owner can be a game changer. It ensures a harmonious relationship between you and your feline companion, making your life easier and their life happier. So stick around, as today we'll explore the best cat breeds for busy first-time owners. First on our list is the British Shorthair, a breed known for its plush, double-layered coat and round, expressive eyes, often a striking copper or gold. These felines are a picture of sturdy health and robust physique, tipping the scales anywhere between 9 to 17 pounds. The British Shorthair is a breed that is often admired for its independence. These cats are perfectly content to have their own space, and they're quite adept at entertaining themselves. Whether it's a lazy afternoon spent napping in a sunbeam or a playful moment with a favorite toy, a British Shorthair is always a master of self-sufficiency. Yet, don't mistake their independence for aloofness. They are quite affectionate in their own unique way, often choosing to sit next to their owners rather than on their laps. They're also known to be incredibly patient, making them a great fit for households with children or other pets. Grooming a British Shorthair is relatively low maintenance thanks to their dense, plush coat that sheds minimally. A weekly brush is usually enough to keep their fur looking its best, and they are generally less prone to matting compared to long-haired breeds. This means less time spent grooming and more time to enjoy their company. One of the key traits of a British Shorthair that makes them particularly suitable for busy individuals is their placid nature. They are not a breed that demands constant attention or interaction. Instead, they are happy to simply be in the same room as their owners, offering quiet companionship. They are also less prone to destructive behaviors that can sometimes be associated with boredom in other breeds. Moreover, British Shorthairs are known for their longevity, often living well into their teens and even early 20s with good care. This means you'll have a loyal, low-maintenance companion for many years to come. In conclusion, if you're a busy individual looking for a feline friend that can match your lifestyle without demanding too much of your time, the British Shorthair is a breed worth considering. With their easygoing nature, British Shorthairs can be a great choice for busy first-time cat owners. Next up, we have the Russian Blue. This breed is known for its striking and distinctive appearance, characterized by a short, plush double coat that is often described as seal-like in texture, and a pair of mesmerizing green eyes. But the Russian Blue's allure extends beyond its physical attributes. One of the most defining characteristics of the Russian Blue is its intelligence. These cats are quick learners and extremely observant. They have a knack for picking up new tricks and commands, and are known to play fetch or open doors. This intellectual prowess, coupled with their natural curiosity, makes them entertaining and engaging companions. Yet, despite their smarts, Russian Blues are not overly demanding of your attention. They exhibit a degree of independence that is somewhat uncommon among domestic cat breeds. They are quite content to entertain themselves, especially when their human companions are busy or away. This makes them an excellent choice for those who have demanding schedules and can't devote hours each day to play or interaction. Shedding is a common concern among potential cat owners, but with a Russian Blue, this worry is significantly minimized. Their short, dense coat doesn't shed as much as other breeds, making them a cleaner choice and reducing the need for constant grooming. Russian Blues also have a reputation for being somewhat reserved. They prefer to keep their distance until they feel comfortable, making them less likely to cause trouble or get into mishaps around the house. This trait, combined with their intelligence, independence, and low shedding, makes them a highly suitable breed for busy individuals or families. The Russian Blue's ability to stay alone for extended periods without feeling neglected or stressed is another noteworthy attribute. They are self-reliant, and while they appreciate your company, they don't require it to be content. If you're after a smart, independent cat that doesn't require constant attention, the Russian Blue could be the breed for you. After all, who wouldn't love a cat that's as self-sufficient, yet lovable and engaging as the Russian Blue? Coming up next is the Ragdoll. Now, if you're seeking a feline companion with a zen-like disposition, then the Ragdoll cat might just be your perfect match. Known for their serene and tranquil nature, Ragdolls are ideal for those who don't have the luxury of time to constantly engage with their pets. One of the most defining traits of the Ragdoll breed is their calm demeanor. These cats are often compared to dogs due to their tendency to follow their owners around the house, showcasing their loyalty and affectionate nature. They are known to greet their owners at the door, and they'll even curl up in your lap for some quality cuddle time. In addition to their loving characteristics, Ragdolls are also celebrated for their low-maintenance grooming needs. Despite their semi-long, silky coats, Ragdolls don't have an undercoat, which means they're less likely to mat or shed excessively. A simple combing session once or twice a week is usually enough to keep their fur looking lustrous and healthy. But what makes the Ragdoll an especially appealing breed for busy households is their adaptability. These cats are known for their easygoing nature and their ability to get along with other pets or children. They are generally undemanding and content to spend hours lounging around the house. Ragdolls are the epitome of an indoor cat, showing little interest in the great outdoors, which is another reason why they are a good fit for busy owners. However, it's important to note that while Ragdolls are low maintenance, they still need their share of love and attention. Regular play sessions and interactive toys can help keep your Ragdoll happy and stimulated. So if you're in search of a cat that's as laid back as they come, with a dash of dog-like loyalty and a grooming routine that won't consume your free time, then the Ragdoll may just tick all those boxes. For those looking for a low-maintenance, affectionate cat, the Ragdoll is an excellent choice. Last but certainly not least, we have the Maine Coon. This impressive breed with its tufted ears and bushy tail is among the world's largest domesticated cats. They are known for their friendly nature, independence, and moderate grooming needs. Maine Coons are often described as gentle giants. They are large and muscular, yet incredibly sweet and gentle. These cats are incredibly friendly and sociable. Don't be surprised if your Maine Coon greets you at the door when you come home, or follows you around the house. They have a knack for making their presence felt in the most charming way possible. Despite their sociability, Maine Coons are also quite independent. They don't need constant attention or interaction to be content. This makes them an excellent choice for busy owners. They're perfectly happy to entertain themselves when you're not around. Yet when you are, they'll be more than willing to engage in play or simply keep you company. Maine Coons are also quite intelligent. They are quick learners and can be taught tricks or commands. They have been known to fetch toys and even open doors. Their intellect combined with their independence means they can keep themselves occupied, reducing the need for constant stimulation. As for grooming, Maine Coons do have a semi-long coat that requires some maintenance. However, their fur is less prone to matting compared to other long-haired breeds. A weekly brush should suffice to keep their coat looking healthy and shiny. This moderate grooming need is yet another reason why they're suitable for busy owners. One more thing to note is that Maine Coons are generally quite healthy. They have fewer breed-specific health issues than many other breeds, which can save you time and worry in the long run. So if you're a busy individual looking for a cat that's friendly and sociable yet can stand on their own four paws, the Maine Coon could be the breed for you. They're low maintenance, independent, and full of personality. If you're seeking a friendly, independent cat, the Maine Coon could be your perfect match. Choosing the right cat breed as a busy person is crucial. We've walked through some fantastic options, each with its unique charm. The British Shorthair, known for their easygoing nature, requires less attention than most. The intelligent and independent Russian Blue, a breed that doesn't mind spending time alone. The affectionate and calm Ragdoll, which is perfect for those with a more relaxed lifestyle. And the Maine Coon, a sociable and adaptable breed, great for those with a busy, lively household. It's important to remember, though, that every cat is an individual. While breed characteristics can provide a general guideline, each cat has its own unique personality and needs. It's always key to spend time getting to know a cat before bringing it into your home. This ensures that you and your new pet are a perfect fit for each other. Remember, the best cat for you is one that fits into your lifestyle and brings you joy. Happy cat hunting!